Wellington Foods is a contract manufacturer of dietary supplements, and we've been doing it for 40 years with a really experienced team. Our mission is to make products that help people live healthy lives. And we want to do that in a way that leads the industry in quality and in relationships with our customers. We make very complicated products, and we do it in a way that makes those products elegant and nutritious and valuable to the consumer. We look at ourselves as a long-term business partner with the brands that we serve. We're not just a transactional contract manufacturer. We really become part of their business operation as an outsourced manufacturer, but we do it in a way that builds a relationship based on trust and on quality.
The main thing that our customers expect from us is to get consistent quality products. They have consumers that they are conscious of. They want to have repeat business. Repeat business is what sustains our business.
As our industry has grown, as we've grown, as our customers have demanded more access and transparency, we have had to be able to supply information quickly to auditors, to customers, and we've recognized that paper-based systems are difficult to operate.
Not being able to access these documents in a timely manner was a little frustrating.
Life before Trace Gains was paper-based, spreadsheet-based, folder-based on a server. So it took more than one person.
Life before Trace Gains was slow and not as efficient. We had a server and we kept all the documents there, but with all of the raw materials that we have, it would take forever to go through, and then we go email the supplier and ask them for an updated document. That's another delay in the process.
Trace Gains is part of our strategy to continue to be able to service our customer with great documentation quickly in a way that we couldn't do manually.
I'm fairly new to Wellington, so coming with a fresh set of eyes, it's actually really refreshing to see a company that has invested in a supplier management and customer management system.
Saving time is a huge thing because in contract manufacturing, we're shuffling through customers who need product like yesterday. So to just have everything streamlined is a huge help to us because we can get things done and we can get things done quickly.
Trace Gains is a relationship builder. Sometimes customers can get very irritated asking for things, having the wrong information, and I think bridging that gap of here is everything you need at your fingertips, at your disposal whenever you'd like, almost makes them feel like you actually respect their time.
We get customer audits, and when they found out that we were using Trace Gains for our supplier qualification and management, they basically said, oh, well, I guess I don't need to ask you too many questions about it. I'm familiar with Trace Gains, and let's move on.
We'll be sitting in an audit, and they'll be asking us tough questions about how we manage our suppliers, how we approve our suppliers, and being able to show them firsthand the data, live data. The last audit we had 0 findings, 0 observations, and that's almost unheard of. So having the system in place that works for you instead of against you makes those audits a whole lot easier.
Trace Gains actually reaches out to these suppliers before these documents expire, and they request these documents. It's fantastic. We don't have to have a person involved in it. Trace Gains does it for us.
Trace Gains has changed the way we communicate with suppliers because we're able to communicate with them directly through the program. Having Trace Gains does allow us to have a larger and stronger network with our suppliers because they're all already in there.
You know, the speed of everything that we do, it's got to be now, it's got to be fast. What Trace Gains helps us do is approve our suppliers faster and get the documents that we need to support making product faster.
Trace Gains helps me be agile with product development. I can focus more on just developing and formulating rather than chasing after documents. We get so many different requests for new and innovative ingredients, and with Market Hub, it's like our Google for raw materials. So all I have to do is search and make sure all the documents meet our regulatory needs, and it's all there for me.
Trace Gains Market Hub is a great resource for us, and because that gives us the agility we need to find these other suppliers that are available that we may just not currently have a relationship with. Trace Gains does give us a competitive edge. I think we're quicker to market just because we have this resource and we're able to source suppliers, we're able to source ingredients that are specialized. It allows us to cater to specialized products that our customers are asking for and develop these products possibly quicker than other companies can.
We've invested in a lot of different parts of our operation that help our customers grow their business. Trace Gains is part of our plan to continue getting better, to do more. The process of helping our customers build their brands is really gratifying because we get to see their success, and their success is ultimately our success.